What's up, guys? Back with another tool review from Deco Pro, 198 piece tool set for home repair. That's what it's under on Amazon. About 70 bucks. And this bad boy is packed and loaded. It's a pretty good deal. Let's get into it. So of course you got all your sockets here, you got your wrench here, you got 2 pairs of pliers, you got an open head crescent wrench, you got your Allen key, you got a box cutter blade. I don't even know what this is. What is this, Teflon tape? Oh, this is electrical tape, nice. You got some bits here, you got so you got security bits, star bits. You got regular Phillips Allen key bits. You also got your flathead and Phillips. That's pretty nice. You got a hammer, smack-a-mole, whack-a-mole your house up. Comes with the tiny little, what is this, a 6-inch saw. That's metal. It's like aluminum. Oh, nice. Really lightweight. You got a, I can't tell if that's a light or not. Pretty sure that's a battery tester light. See if it's grounded or not grounded. It lights up. Interesting. Nice. You got a wire stripper, wire cutter. Nice. I'm gonna be using this for work. I got a bunch of tools. They're all in a bag, and it's kind of annoying because they're not organized, and I don't know where everything is at. And I'm in construction, so this will be handy to throw in the back of my truck if I need something. It'd be awesome. So you got your tiny little fine Phillips screwdrivers and flatheads, and then you got your crescent wrenches. Nice. And then you got a tape measure. What is this? 10 feet tape measure. Nice. You got your little stubby screwdrivers. Get in small spaces. You got 2 of those, flathead and a Phillips. You got your electrical screwdrivers, insulated grip, or just regular. I call those electrical screwdrivers. And then you got some vice grips. Feels pretty good, actually. All of this is for 70 bucks. Can you believe that? So let's get into it. Let's see how good this wrench feels. So you got your sockets. Your sockets go from, man, let's see here. For the metric, you got 5 all the way up to 19. And then for US, you got 3/16 all the way to 3/4, which is pretty nice. 1/4-inch drive. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good in the hand, actually. So this bad boy is pretty equipped with a bunch of stuff you need. So, like I said, this set's pretty good for people that don't have tools in their house already, that want to get some tools for the house. This set is, like I said, like a home repair kit tool set, 198 piece set. Has pretty much everything that a standard person that doesn't know how to use a bunch of tools at home, you'd probably buy something like this instead of buying each tool individually. This comes with everything you need, pretty much, for the most part, to get your pictures hung up on the wall, to cut some boxes up or cut some drywall, hang some mirrors or something, you need some drywall anchors, basic electrical, you can strip some wires, you can tape it up with some electrical tape, you know. So it's a pretty good starter kit for someone that's just starting to do stuff for home projects, small home projects. This is kind of stuff you'd need. Pretty set. Oh, and then you got a wrench screwdriver too for these bits. It's pretty nice. And it's also reversible. Why is this turn like this? This is kind of different. I don't know why that cap comes off. That's different. Maybe you can grease it or clean it out. In total, man, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 40 different bits in just this set, which is pretty crazy. That's a lot of bits. Don't even need half of them, mostly. But it's also really good to have on hand. The more tools, the better. This little saw is pretty cool, though. Let's see what we can do here with this little saw. Like this piece of 2x4 that I cut in half. Let's see here. I'm gonna cut through it. Let's see if it'll cut through some steel. Do a little tiny steel plate. Definitely just a wood blade. Didn't doll it up though. So that's a wood blade. You got extra, a couple different blades in here too. Didn't see that before. Allen keys you got from 1.5 to 4, oh, and then 5 to 8, 5 to 10 different sizes. So you got, what is this, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, 9 different Allen keys. Come in handy. What is this? Just a bit holder. That's it, guys. The Deco Pro's 198 piece tool set for home repair. It's designed for extraordinary kindness only. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you like me. I got a lot more videos coming out in the future, so I'll see you guys then. Later.